So now I have opened Tableau desktop, and in Tableau desktop, the first screen, this is what you see, and you can search data on Tableau server from files which we are going to do right now: Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file, Microsoft Access, PDF, spatial file, statistical file, and then you have from servers. So many servers are supported: Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL is one we are going to explore in this tutorials sometime later, Amazon Redshift, and there are a huge number of connectors. Look at this big list which is ever increasing. You have so many things, including Alibaba's connector, Amazon Athena, Amazon Aurora MySQL, Amazon EMR, Amazon Redshift, Apache Drill, Astra Database, Azure Snap Analytics, Box, Cloudera, Hadoop, uh, Databricks. You have these many connectors which are available out here, and the list goes long. You have Google Ads, Google Analytics, BigQuery, Google Cloud, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Hortonworks, Hortonworks, IBM DB2, IBM Impala, just so many, MariaDB, MarkLogic, MemSQL, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft SQL Server, MongoDB, MySQL, OData, OneDrive you can connect with. Microsoft OneDrive, we are expecting that. Oracle, eBase, and then we have PostgreSQL, we have Postgres OpenAge, we have Salesforce, SAP HANA, SAP NetWeaver Business Warehouse, SAP Sybase, Sybase IQ, and then we have SharePoint lists, which is we have a connector for that. Spark SQL, Splunk, Teradata, OLAP connector, and then there are a long list, and then there are JDBC and ODBC driver. If nothing is able to connect like this, if you have JDBC or ODBC support, you can do it. So huge long list of things which you can do out here. We will try to explore few of them in future, but this is a really long list, and Tableau's connectors are continuously increasing. You have options here like file, and then the server, again sign in and all those, and then help, community, and all those places where you can go find out some kind of help, watch training, all those help. Many things are provided under the help. Now the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to use Microsoft Excel, and this Excel is not normal Excel. This is what we have actually converted from the power, from the Tableau Prep. We have prepared this sheet, and that sheet which we have prepared from the Tableau Prep is the one which we are going to use. The one option was that I use this call center sheet which was there, but I am going to use the Tableau Prep sheet. And Tableau Prep sheet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the URL out here, and let me try to get the Tableau Prep sheet from there. And I got this sheet which is prepared by Tableau. Now this is Excel sheet, so there's no difference. Like, this is the Tableau Prep sheet, and we are executing, and I'm expecting that it's going to show me the three things which we have done. Let's see. So immediately it has shown us. Now I have this call. Let's see the data out here, and if you remember, we correct the data type here, but we are coming again back from the Excel, so it doesn't guarantee that's going to become a date, and that's what. But right now it is called at the date. It is the date column, which has been detected as a date column, as a data type, you can see. So we are having this fine. Now I can go ahead and join the city table with it. Okay, and then I'm expecting city to be joined on city ID. So let me join it on city ID and city ID, and then it says okay, close, and let me say, and then we go ahead and join the company again with this city. Now please remember, when we are dragging, make sure that you are going to select the correct column, and then let me close this, and let me close any other changes I can do. Okay, so live connector extract, let it be live right now. Let's see if so live basically means it should query the Excel sheet, and extract should be loading it out here. So let's go ahead and keep it like this right now. I am not looking any renaming right now, and the two formulas which we are creating here, I'm just going to show you for simplicity that it's going to be similar stuff out here. So we already have a total time here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you that this total time has worked out. So we have all these 4-5 stuff which I'm going to select it out here and drag it here on the visualization page. So what I've done is I click on this sheet, and I come to this Tableau, which is basically the Tableau desktop where we are going to prepare our visualization. I just drag all these columns here to showcase it to you. I think I need to drag total time below, and now you can see this looks like sum of all these. Now before we jump into this one and try to create a calculated column and verify all these stuff that we can do similar kind of calculation here, just like go ahead and look at what all options are there. So there are huge number of options in the Tableau. So you can create a new workbook, you can open it, you can close it, you save as, export as a version, export a packaged workbook, okay, share, there are options, paste, import workbook locale for the conversion, and then all those stuffs are out here. Now under the data, you again have the new data source connection, copy paste stuff is there, then edit, relationship, replace data source, all these things are there. Under the worksheet, you have copy, you export as image or data or cross tab Excel, you have clear option where you can clear everything on the sheet. So like if I say clear sheet, whatever I've done, it's going to get cleared. Okay, so that's what option is there in the worksheet. Then you have actions, tooltip, show title, show caption, show summary, show cards, show view toolbar, and all those options are there. So I can add like show summary, and we will take these things, once we have some data, we will be able to do that. Now under the dashboard, you can create a new dashboard, and once we jump into the dashboard in Tableau, we are going to explore this option further. Now we have a story where we will be able to create new stories, and then we say add, show titles, show back and forward, run update, and all those. Under the analysis, then we have a lot of options again here, show mark labels, aggregate measures, tag marks, and then we have percentage of table, column, row, pane, row in pane, column, cell. These we are going to explore later. Show now grand total. If you want to show, there is an option like show grand total, show column grand total, show totals to left, show total on top. All those options we have to explore. Then forecast options. Now right now the visuals are not there, some of the options will be disabled. Trend lines, then we have special values, show and hide, table layout, we need to show empty rows, show empty columns, like these things, like when we join and the data is not there, so we might have to use show empty rows and show empty columns. Legends, filters, highlights, parameter, all these will be applicable whenever we take a particular type of visual. Create calculated field, we already tried out this in Tableau Prep, and we are going to try it out here to create not only calculated field but also to create measure. Both the things will be achieved from here only. We're going to show you very soon. Then edit calculated field. If this came as a calculated field, we can edit. Now right now if you see those fields have not came as a calculated field, I'll show you difference by creating one of them here. Okay, so now this is there. Now when we jump into the map, background of the map, background images, geocoding. Now we might have to import the geocoding and correct the geocoding. More options will be available, and when we add the city and those cities are not able to match it to the map, like just it was giving the error in the Tableau Prep, it might give an error also here, so we will be able to correct that, some of those out here. Now formatting is workbook, font, alignment, shading, borders, line, animation. We are going to try animation sometime later, and then we are going to show how animation works. Reference line, drop lines, annotations, title and captions, field labels, legends, filter, highlight, parameter, so many things. We can have themes, we can have previous, we can have modern and classic themes, and we say, and then we can say copy formatting and paste formatting. These options are available. Server, we have sign book, open workbook, and all those options are there. In the Windows, you have what you wanted to showcase, show and hide here, and help section is same as what we have. So these are the various sections which are available, which we have to explore. Now other than that, we added, this is the tab where all your tables will appear, and you can these there, and once you start creating the measures, so the measures will also appear here. Then there is an analytics tab where these options will be enabled based on what kind of visual which we have. Now in the analysis, what we have these pages, and we are going to use that later. Now filters, if you want to add certain filters, can be here. Then now based on the visual, these options will keep on adding and changes. Row and column based on the visuals will be available here. Now show me is going to show you all the visuals available. Right now we have not dragged anything, none of the visuals are enabled, but the visuals will get enabled based on what you select out here. Depending on your choices of selection, you will have different kind of visuals enabled. Each visual will have a different kind of enablement which is there. Like if I'm clicking here, it is going to show you what is needed for that visual to work. Okay, if I don't show it, there will be legend which would be shown here. Then there are icons like here, we have a save icon out here, we have this new data source icon there, pause auto updates is there, then we have these plus buttons for worksheet, then these will will switch column and rows out here, sort ascending descending, highlight, and then we have this standard fit view, we will see it in when we come into the pie. Then we have these various options, then there is a, I think this is the slideshow option which we have, presentation mode, and then this share workbook with others, and all those options are there. Now this is these are all terms of option which are there on the Tableau workbook. We have now seen Tableau workspace, Tableau Prep, we have seen now Tableau. Now when we go to Tableau public, we are also going to see very similar kind of options. We are going to explore the Tableau public also and try to showcase you what all options we have there.